Alright, welcome everyone. Today's first day of the sort of oddball mismatched toy collections. Don't really... I got one or two pieces of each one of these through this week, and just thought it'd be a good time to sort of go through the random stuff that, they're sort of one-offs, basically. This was the only Silverhawk I ever bought. Still got the logo there on his chest, if it'll focus. Ironically, I had a buddy who's actually a proper collector. Oh yeah, I guess I should show. Boom. And as I was starting to talk about what I was going to be doing with this channel and these toys, he'd mentioned that he'd ordered some, real collector's edition Silverhawks. And I said, well, I didn't have any of those. And literally the next day I found this guy. He was still in one of the boxes in the basement in my parents' house, so I had to I went and got the last one. He was in it, and then separately I actually found his little. This was our sort of weapon companion. This one, his head. I don't want to. It's supposed to pull through and the head can grab onto some stuff evidently, but it hasn't been moved since it basically got boxed up. What year was that? I got a date there on the bottom. Let's get my specs on and find out. I got this 86. I don't know if it'll focus in there or I can see it on the screen or not. Yeah, 86. Made in Taiwan. But like I said, my buddy, he was very thrilled when I showed him this. He said that these, particularly on the green one, the coating wears off and gets worn. He said this one was in really good shape. So, I don't know much about collecting toys. Like I said, I was shocked when I found the guy. But he's cool. His name's Flashback. He's evidently a time-traveling agent from the future. And during the show, he would come back and help the Silverhawks or something, or he'd use his power to go back and forth. And I don't actually even remember the show. I just remember I thought that was cool that it had wings. But let's see, you can sort of see the mechanism inside there. He didn't have backpacks. I think the other ones may have been on backpacks. I don't say this is the only one I ever had. I wanted the silver guy, but I never got him. And I'm not sure if I quit collecting toys or started spending money on video games or what at this point. But like I say, he's the only one I ever collected of this series. I do think he's awful cool. But I've gone back and looked at the prices. I can't afford to start collecting them now. So he's going to be the only one I ever have. That's about all I got to say about him. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because ain't no telling what you're going to see this week. Bye.